Come back after the break. Now I invite our jury, Mr. T.P. Udaya Shankar, Associate Professor, CSE from Annapurna Engineering College, to the dais. Team 1, come to the dais for the presentation. Check.
Check.
Yeah. Okay. அங்க போக கூடாது, அங்கே தான் இருக்கணும். Good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself, Monica, from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, and she is Megla. We are from Vinayaka Mission Kirbananda Warrior Engineering College, Salem.
Our topic is camera motion sensing. Introduction. Motion sensing using camera is a key technology is security, automation and human computer interactions and their objectives and applications. Objectives is a real-time motion detection system using a camera alerts. Applications here: home security, office surveillance, traffic monitoring, smart automations.
So problem statement. Here the main problem is lack of real-time alerts and system that can detect and notify unauthorized activity.
And then proposed solutions. Captures the video in real-time, proposed frames to detect the motions, triggers to alert, sound, email notifications.
System architecture. There are two types of architectures are there: hardware components and software components. Hardware components includes camera, computer and computer using Raspberry Pi LED indicators. Software component using Python, computer vision, SMTP for email alerts.
And then implementation steps. The first step, install the Open CV. CV means computer vision.
Next, computer capture video and convert frames to grayscale.
Apply the background.
Detect context and draw bounding boxes.
Configure the alerts, for example, notifications, email notifications and other notifications.
Finally, test and validation.
The result successfully detected human and object movement in the real time.
Almost 90% of accuracy is well in literature conditions.
Advantages and limitations. The advantages is cost effective, real time processing, easy to deploy and scale, customized the alert system.
Limitations, lightning variations will affect the accuracy. False positive due to pet shadows, requires continuous power and stable connections.
And then conclusions. The project is functional motion sensing security systems using the computer vision. It is offers to low cost automated alternative conventional surveillance with the potential smart features. Thank you.
Thank you. Tamil.
Can you explain your topic first?
சார் இப்போ கேமராலாம் வைக்கிறோம்ல சார், இப்போ கேமரா வைக்கும்போது ஒரு ஷேடோ ஃபஸ்ட்டுலாம் வந்து ஒரு சென்சார் மூலயமா இது ரொட்டேட் ஆகும் சார். இப்போ வந்து சம்திங் ஒரு ஷேடோவே வந்தாலும் அக்யூரேட்டாக வந்து பண்ணுற மாதிரி
சென்சார் மூலமா
சார் மூலியமா சார்.
Sensor you are using this.
ராஸ்பெரி பை.
What is the advantages in the Raspberry?
Cost effective. Sir, it's cost effective, no sir. That's
Only for cost effective. So what is the difference for cost effective?
sir, shadow
In your project and then already existing project, what is the cost?
சார் ஃபஸ்ட்டு இருக்க இதில் வந்து யாராச்சும் மூவ் பண்ணால் மட்டும்தான் சார் அது பண்ண முடியும். யாராச்சும் ஒருத்தவங்க வராங்க,
ஸோ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக வந்து கேமராஸ் வந்து சென்சார் வந்து அது ரொட்டேட் ஆகும் சார்.
அக்யூரேட்டாக பண்ணுற மாதிரி பண்ணுறோம்.
தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Thank you. Next team come to the presentation.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. We are Dhanlakshmi and Pujastri from Department of AIDS from Vinayaka Missions Engineering College. And we are here about to present our project, that virtual try-on rooms, the future scope of fashion shopping with augmented reality.
Introduction. Online shopping is increasing due to convenience and accessibility. However, fashion shopping online lacks physical trial experience. Customers worry about fits, size, looks and styles. Virtual try-on rooms address these problems by simulating real fitting. They reduce uncertainty and improve customer satisfactions.
What is augmented reality? AR enhances the real world with digital elements. It uses cameras, sensors and AI algorithms. AR works in real time and responds to user movements. Unlike VR, VR creates a fully visual environment. AR blends with digital content with reality.
What is virtual try-on room? Virtual try-on rooms are digital fitting environment. They allow customers to try multiple outfits instantly. Compare style side by side. Can be implemented as mobile apps, web-based tools, smart mirror in stores, still suitable for online and offline instantly.
This is how the virtual try-on rooms works. When user opens the app or a website, camera scans the body or face, AI detects body shape, size and movement. AR overlays 3D clothing models, real-time adjustment while user moves. User can rotate, zoom or switch outfits.
Technology used at augmented reality displays virtual clothes on real body. Computer vision detects body landmark and postures. Artificial intelligence predicts size and fits. Machine learning improves accuracy over time. 3D modeling creates realistic clothing designs. Depth sensor measures distance and body depth.
Advantages of virtual try-on rooms: enhances customer confidence while purchasing, reduces hesitation before buying, minimizes size-related complaints, saves times for both customer and retailers, environment friendly, helps brand analyze customer preference.
Practical challenge in clothing sector: convert traditional 2D tailoring patterns into 3D. Cloth lagging and animation require expect software tools and skills. Realistic fabric behavior, real-time performance, it's only commercial for premium customers due to high value cost.
Applications in fashion industry: online shopping platforms, retail stores, eyewear brands, jewelry brands, fashion design and marketing.
Future scope and conclusion: AI driven accurate size recommendation, full body 3D customers, avatars, personalized fashion suggestion, integration with metaverse shopping, virtual fashion influencers and digital clothing.
These are our references.
Okay. What are the advantages of using this AR for camera, in a camera?
Try dress model instantly in a visual mode.
Try to.
We
So
can
what are the advantages for using camera with base of AR?
By analyzing our body shape and measurement fit.
How you are going to sensor this? Any limitation is there? Height, weight, like this? Now only you are going to search. Say, okay, how to convert the 2D to 3D images? What is any algorithm are used for this? AR? Machine learning.
Measure our body shape and structure of.
Okay.
Thank you. Next team, come forward.
Single PPT எடுக்கு.
Hello everyone, I am Aisha from Vinaga Mission Scribrananda Warrior Engineering College. Today my topic is driver drowsiness detection system in real-time eye aspect ratio monitoring using OpenCV. Okay, introductions. In recent days, driver drowsiness causes many accidents in roads, causing drivers safety. Tiredness, reduce reaction time and alertness. So to prevent this, we need a real-time monitoring system. In practical aspects, we can use in computer vision, OpenCV. Traditional methods causes irritations for the drivers and are expensive. Lack of continuous real-time monitoring, and using OpenCV, we can low cost, accurate and non-iterative, that means a non-irritative system. Early detection of drowsiness is critical because we may find earlier. Objectives: detect driver drowsiness in real time can be done by using eye aspects ratio, generates alerts when drowsiness is detected, improve road safety using vision based methods. Camera captures live video stream, face detection using OpenCE, that is Open System Computer Vision, face landmark attraction, air calculation and threshold comparison and alert generation. Ear measure high openness, computed using high landmark distance, high ear, high open, slow ear, high closer, sustain slow ear, drowsiness, then system gives an alert message. Technologies can be used to done this: Python programming language, OpenCE for image processing, GLIB for facial landmark detection, NumPy for mathematical operations. Working methodology: camera captures video frame by frame, detect face and eye landmarks, calculate ear for each frame, check ear against thresholds, trigger alarm if we got drowsy. Advantages of detection: non-iterative, which will be non-iterative for the drivers, low cost, real-time operations. Applications: intelligent vehicles, driver assistance system, fleet monitoring. Conclusions: in future can be done by instead of camera, we can get alert message to IoT or our mobile apps. Thank you.
Okay, can you explain the computer vision versions?
Use an image processing photos of drowsiness.
So in this image process, they already told the eye landmark vision. How are you going to identify the landmark in a computer vision?
சார் தூங்கும்போது கண் கொஞ்சம் சுருங்கும் சார். இந்த இடத்துல சுருங்குற இடத்துல இந்த இடத்துல லேண்ட்மார்க் வச்சுக்கிட்டா கண் சுருங்கும் போது அது நமக்கு அலர்ட் மெசேஜ் கொடுக்குற மாதிரி. ரொம்ப நேரம் கண் சுருங்கிட்டே இருக்கும்போது அலர்ட் மெசேஜ் வரும்.
Any range is there?
ரொம்ப நேரமாக சஸ்டைனபிளாக ஒரே ரேஞ்சில் இருக்கும்போது அலர்ட் மெசேஜ் வரும் சார்.
Okay, okay. And mathematical operation, you are telling mathematical operation. How you are going to identify these mathematical operations?
Numerical plus Python.
Any validation is there in your project?
Still not.
No. Okay.
I have one question, ma. Your presentation is good, but I have one doubt with you. What is the aspect ratio you can driver is drowsy? When you came to know with this aspect ratio, the driver is feeling drowsy.
Eye aspect ratio, if we high open, then we can guess it's an open. If ear aspects gets low, then we say it's an drowsiness. If our eyes will be some sustainable state when long time close, slow.
Within a second, we just close our eyes and open with lid.
That's also I am asking, what is the ratio for this?
Aspect ratio. I just want the aspect ratio. If the ratio comes means, then the driver is feeling drowsy. That's all. What is that ratio?
Don't know.
You should fix the ratio, na.
Yes.
Then only you are able to calculate whether it reaches that ratio or not.
Still not fixed, ma'am.
You didn't find out. In future you may be.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Thank you. Next team, come to the dais.
Right side. Slide.
Good afternoon, all present here. I am Esarni from Minaga Mission Engineering College, and I am going to present in the topic of AI-driven early Alzheimer detection using CNSS to analyze MRI scan for early diagnose. And the topic is AI-driven early Alzheimer detection. It is the Alzheimer disease. We are going to using CNS. We are analyzing the MRI scan. An introduction, Alzheimer disease, it is the neurodegenerative disorder and it affects our memory, thinking ability, and it is important to early diagnose. And manual MRI analysis it takes 2 time to analyze that we are having this Alzheimer disease, and It is very difficult because radiologists, on expert radiologists can find this Alzheimer's disease. Early symptoms are susceptible. We won't consider this is the Alzheimer's disease. We will take this easy and hard to detect. Detect early Alzheimer's disease using MRI scans. We apply CNS, convolution neural networks, for automated feature extractions, improve diagnostic accuracy and speed, and assist clinics in decision making. Overview of convolution neural network. It is the type of deep learning architecture for image analyzing, and key components, the layers, convention layers, pooling layers, fully connected layers. And advantages of CNS is medical imaging. Proposed methodology, MRI data acquisitions, image pre-processing. It removes the noise and it will be normalized. And CNN model training, the classification normal, middle and early Alzheimer's disease. MRI features, it analyzes the structural brain changes, and it will find the hippocampal change and cortical thinning. CN based automated feature learning. And results, we can find it accurate and it's sensitive and comparison with the traditional methods. Advantages and applications. Using CNSS early and accurately we can diagnose it. It reduces the human error, foster clinical decision support. It is useful in hospital and research centers. And conclusion, CNS are effective for early AD detections. A improves diagnostic reliability, and future work, large data sets, multimodal data, real-time clinical development. Thank you.
Okay, can you explain CNN?
Convolution neural network. So, convolution neural networks.
Conclusion?
Neural networks.
Neural networks. So what is the difference between the convolutional neural network and ordinary network?
Other network.
Network.
Convolution neural network is used to analyze the image pre-processing.
Okay. So what is the use for DL?
DL.
In your project?
Deep learning. That only image process in the deep learning layers, convolution neural networks. It will analyze the image in deep process.
How you are going to analyze?
Picture.
If any picture is there now, how you are going to analyze? If you are fixed any height or length or any measurement is there, then how you are going to measure
by
this? Any colors or any size? Huh?
Clear and accurate it will analyze.
Clear and accurate is not correct. Okay.
Thank you.
Right, Ma, I have one question. First of all, I don't know what this is. You are trying to find a solution. First, tell me what is the disease?
Alzheimer's disease. It is the disease. It loss our. It will affect our memory and thinking ability. We are going to find that earlier using the CNSS.
What are the symptoms?
Symptoms.
If I am affecting that disease, means what are the symptoms?
Just we are keeping the mobile phone here. Just we are forgetting. We will think that is just we are forgetting. But
normally, after at the age of 45, in general, most of the, including me, I just forgot to where I kept my mobile. This is general, na?
Now we are thinking it is general. But while analyzing in the MRI scan, or then only we are coming to know that we are having this disease.
Okay. This is not an advice, but by that the presentation, you first define what is the problem. Like me, most of the students are not yet knowing what is the disease first. You just conclude with the solution. But initially I don't know what is this problem. Okay.
Introduction also not clear in this.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you. Next team, come to the presentation.
Good afternoon. Myself Mohan Rajake from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Vinaya Machines Kiruvananthapuram Engineering College. My project is facial emotion recognition for customer feedback, analyzing video feeds to determine the customer satisfaction. Introduction. Importance of customer feedback is in business growth, limitation of traditional feedback system, role of AI and computer vision in customer analytics. Problem statement. Feedback forms are time consuming and subjective. Customers may not express honest opinion. Needs for automated and real-time feedback analytics. Objective of the system: to recognize the customer's emotion from the facial expression, to analyze the video feeds to satisfaction measurement, to prove real-time and unbiased customer feedback. Overview of the facial emotion recognition. Detect the human emotion from facial expression. Common emotion like happy, sad, angry, neutral, surprised. It is widely used in HCL, healthcare and marketing. System architecture. It have video input that take from camera and recorded video. Face detection module. It have a recorded videos. Emotion recognition module. It have already learned emotions like sad, happy. Satisfaction analytics and reporting. Face detection process. It have capturing video from frames, detecting face using OpenCV, extracting facial recognition from analytics. Emotion recognition technique. It have a future extraction from facial landmarks, use of convolutional neural network, classification of emotion based on trained modules. Customer satisfaction analytics. Mapping emotion to satisfaction level. If positive means that is satisfied customers, negative emotion that dissatisfied customers. Agreed emotion based feedback. Applications. Retail stores and shopping malls, restaurant and hospitality service, bank and customer service centers, product usability testing. Advantages and challenges. Advantages. Real-time feedback, unbiased and automated analytics, improved customers' experience. Challenges: lighting and camera quality, privacy and ethical concerns, emotion ambiguity. Conclusion and future scope. FER, enhance customer feedback analytics, helps business makes data-driven decision. Using hotel CCTV footage for customers' feedback is legal only with customers' consent and proper privacy protection. Future scope. Multi-mode emotion analysis like voice plus face. Improved accuracy, use advanced deep learning, integration with CRM systems. Thank you.
Okay, in your project, customer feedback is there, na? Already you told you, na? Yes. What are the criteria for customer feedback? How many criteria you already fixed for the customer feedback?
Sad.
Huh?
Sad. Unsatisfied emotion.
Like how you are going to identify this unsatisfied or satisfied?
From take video from the CCTV footage, and we have on learned modules that have already we put the images like happiness, sadness, like this.
Okay, face detection means for what purpose you using face detection?
If in the hotel, if customer eat the food now, they like smile, that means take as a good feedback. Thank you.
You just tell me in your slide itself, it may be legal or illegal.
Yes.
Okay, va?
Yes,
To capture the customers' mindset or whether they are like their food or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Then without their consent, how will you capture their images and use that data? Then how will you take the data as a trained data? After that, you got conclusion.
In hotel, in notice boards are there. In the notice board, we mentioned we take the videos for feedbacks. We mentioned it. After
Okay, nowadays most of the places they just paste this venues under surveillance. Like that, you are going to paste some sticker.
Yes, ma'am.
You are going to plan or you are decided?
Plan, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next team come forward.
Check. Good afternoon to the juries and audience present here. Myself, Mohammad Rehan from second year CC department, and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree from Vinayaga Mission, Kirpanandawara Engineering College. And today, I'm here to talk about my project presentation on the topic AI-based resume screening and ranking. The AI process by matching keyword and context. Introduction. As we all know, in the traditional method, the HRs always just collect each and everyone's resume and read line by line, and that consumes so much time. And also, the HR can forget some important keywords and also some important skills that they need to consider it mainly, and also they can and also it has some human bias while doing the calculation manually. So the problem statement that today I took from a project is in the traditional screening, in the traditional way, the resume for accepting the resume of a candidate, it takes really a lot of time, and also the HR can forget intentionally or thereby forgetfulness the important keywords and else. So that's why I pick up this problem statement just to solve that flaws which HR takes often, and I'm using the AI to just implement. I'm just using the AI into this into my project, just so the AI can just compare as keyword in resume. In resume, AI can take a keyword and then compare it to the domain, and then calculates it, and then it provides an actual result. To an actual result, it shows a score, and then the AI can evaluate by scoring and ranking them based on scores. And the objective of my system is automate the resume screening process, extract keywords and contextual meaning from the resumes, and to compare the keywords with the jobs required specification, and then ranking them based on the scorings. And system overview, we are giving basically two inputs. One input is on the resumes, and the other input is the job requirement specification. In the process, we use the natural language processing, and in ML because we need to score the resume, and then we need to arrange in the rank wise. So that's why we are using the machine learning concept. And output we will get some rank list of multiple candidates, like rank 1, rank 2 up to the rank n. And the main core technology that I used in my project is artificial intelligence, natural language processing, machine learning algorithm, Python. And also in addition, I use some libraries and tools such as natural language processing library, that is a natural language toolkit, SPACY, and OpenCV optional for documenting process. And the resume preparation starts from here. When a candidate uploads the resume to the HR, it will be in the period format. First, the period format will convert into a document, and then inside the document, each and every the waste space and the stop, the waste space and the irrelevant data will be removed, and then each and every line in the resumes are being just tokenized, and then they are converted into future vectors. This is because this process helps in scoring for the candidate for the resume. And the keyword and context matching. So first, the keyword is extracted from the resume, and job description has been compared, and then while comparing the requirement which is matching or given us some scores, and then with that scores the resume is ranking from 1 to n. And the ranking mechanism goes like, first of all we need to calculate a score for a resume and job description, and then adding that all the scores will give a weightage to the resume, and then overall the resume score consumption will be added, and then the ranking is shortlisted, and the top candidates will be selected for the interview. And the advantage of the proposed system: the fastest and efficient resume screening, and minimizes human bias, improved accuracy and consistency, cost-effective HR automation solution. The applications of my project is the corporate recruitment system. We can use it in multiple domains, multiple areas such as corporate recruitment system, campus placement automation, online job portals, HR analytics platforms. And the conclusion, the future scope is AI improves efficiency in recruitment, context-aware screening, enhance fairness, future deep learning and chatbot integration. The deep learning and chatbot I will be planning to import it in future. This is by the prototype version, and in future I will make sure to use that in order to improve my project. And then continuous learning from better accuracy using the machine learning and DL. And thank you. Any questions?
In your project, I already told you now that these keywords. What are the keywords for this? What are the keywords used for this?
So for each resume differs according to the person's individual skills. So inside that, each and every resume has some unique keywords. For example, like in experience, they done different projects and they have different type of skills. So
okay. Can you explain your introduction first? Abstract.
Sorry?
Can you once again explain your abstract?
So my abstract is simply we is taking two inputs. That is one is a resume, and another one is a job required data. For example, if you are applying for AIML role, what are the requirements?
Okay. How you are going to match the keywords in your abstract?
There is two ways. One way is I can able to just match directly, or I can match the indirect way. Indirect because if I go with direct way, maximum resume will be cut off, and there will be like so many reasons. There will be no reasons for that, and that will be a waste of time and consumption.
Okay. Any plagiarism softwares are used for this, checking your resume is correct or not? Any plagiarism software already used this?
No, sir. This is my prototype idea. I'm going to implement in future, sir.
Like, is it possible to using this software, plagiarism software? Plagiarism checker is there?
Yes, sir. I can.
Checking, after checking the plagiarism, how you are going to identify this is a new resume or already exist here like this?
So for that I will upload the resume into a database, in database which confirms which has the old resume and also the new resume. It just compares the names, the old resume and the new resume names compare, and then the resume, and then from the database I will pick up multiple resumes, and then I need to check it manually. I didn't find an AI version to automate it. Thanks. Thank you, sir.
I have one question, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammad Rayan or Mohammad Mansoor?
It's Mohammad Rayan. Actually, I studied in Maharashtra, so that's my father's name.
Okay. Your presentation is good except the first slide. You saw, na? So you did some mistakes in that slide. Next time you try to change it.
Well, uploading, sir, I think so.
Okay. It's some technical part.
Sure,
Okay.
I'll do.
You just design a AI system to shortlist the resumes.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know very well, our students are very clever and smart today. They just raise the question even in using ChatGPT or any other AI platform, how to crack that AI system, then how to solve it.
That I am asking the plagiarism also is there or not? For that I am asking the plagiarism also.
Ma'am,
plagiarism checkers.
Currently I will not think about that, but future I will just implement. I currently not think, I just currently didn't thought about that, but in future while implementing the deep learning, I will make sure to add it. The main goal of my project was to reduce the time of the HR, because while checking the resumes manually, it takes
But
really
you
lot of
just,
time.
while narrating, you just use the word keyword.
Yes,
If you creating a system based on the keyword means, then it is very easy for our students to crack that. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next team, come to the dais.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, good morning, everyone. Myself, Tenners from CSE department. My friends, Purna from IT department, Kora Balachand from IT department. Introduction. Rapid growth of digital healthcare technologies, then increasing demand for remote medical services. Telemedicine enables healthcare access anytime, anywhere, reduces dependency on physical hospital visits. Now, first we know that WebRTC, where we are using means by applying on the web browsers and mobile applications, we are using shares many more files, data, videos without using plugins. Problem statement: limited access to healthcare professionals in rural areas, high travel costs and long waiting times. Traditional e-health systems lack real-time interactions. Then inefficient management of medical records and prescriptions. How we contact to the doctors means by using telemedicine with the WebRTC. Now we are can directly contact with the doctors. Our project is contact to the doctors. Now I contact with the doctors means first we need to registration, then we got a schedule, then we got a video consultations, then prescriptions. Like that we want to implement our problems. Objectives: enable real-time video consultation using WebRTC, improve healthcare accessibility and efficiency, provide secure digital prescription generation, then ensure data privacy and secure communications. Our project is safe and secure. Overview of telemedicine. Telemedicine, delivery of healthcare services using ICT. Types: synchronous, live consultation, store and forward, used for diagnosis, treatment, monitoring and follow-ups. We are using WhatsApp. How we contact to the doctors means so many apps, applications is there. Google, Zoom, Google Meet, Zoom, then WhatsApp. So many applications is there. That applications we are using, we contact to the doctors.
So, web real-time communication technology that enables real-time communication enables peer-to-peer audio and video communication. It works directly in web browsers, so there is no need of plugins or external software. It provides low latency, which means delay and high quality streaming. So system architecture, these are the main modules. Patient module, this is where a patient could register, log in, ask for prescriptions and do consultations. And doctor module, this is where the doctors could ask for the patient's details and consult and give the prescriptions electronically. Signaling server, this is establish and manages the live consultation and exchange the users' details. Backend and database, it stores the users' data and prescriptions and gives a secure database. So these are the key features. Secure user authentication, whether for a doctor or patients. We have online appointment scheduling for booking and management. So we could do a live video consultation using web RTC. Digital prescription generation, we could ask for the doctor's digital prescriptions electronically. And we have a secure medical record management.
And then digital description system, electronic presentation creation by doctors, doctor authentication and digital verification. It will be secure storage of prescriptions. It is easy to sharing with pharmacists and patients. It will be security and privacy, encrypted audio, video and data transmission, compliance with healthcare data standards. It will secure login with role-based access control, protection of patient medical records. And then next, advantages and applications. It will cost-effective healthcare delivery, time saving for patients and doctors. It will be suitable for the rural and emergency care, chronic diseases monitoring and follow-ups. And then finally, conclusion and future scope. Efficient and scalable telemedicine solution enhances accessibility and quality of care. Future enhancements, AI-based diagnosis support, mobile app integration, IoT-based healthcare monitoring. And then finally, thank you to all.
Can you explain the e-health system? E-health system. Already you told you, na, the e-health system. Can you explain this?
E-health system means
Just a definition.
electronic healthcare devices we can use.
Okay, leave it. Then any priority for registration the token? Yeah, what priority is? How you going to fix the priority for this? If they are calling to call means?
If I call means, so many
How you are going to priority for directly come person and first come first serve? Either directly come or call person also.
whatever it may be,
Oh.
yaar first பண்ணிட்டாங்களோ
Thank you, students. Now I would like to invite our convener, Mr. Dr. M. Prakash, to honor our jury, Mr. T. Prakash, T. Uday Shankar.
Thank you. Pass, refresh, and return inspired. We now break for lunch. Please come back after 2 p.m.
Students are requested to go for lunch and come back to the auditorium at 2 p.m. for the afternoon session.